All right, so for our part B of our notes, these are going to be your created notes, you practicing what you already know. So you're going to be identifying your degree and your leading coefficient. So what we're going to do is you're going to first determine what is the degree of the function. By determining the degree, I mean, is it even or odd? That's all I want you to be able to tell me. Is it even or odd? Then you're going to tell me what is your leading coefficient. Is it positive or negative? And fill in the blanks for the limit. Okay. I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do all 4 graphs. I think that's fair. 5 minutes actually may be too much, but you're telling me the degree, coefficient, and then describing the limit. I'm going to give you 3 minutes. I feel like this is a 3-minute situation. Whether it's positive or, yes. So you're telling me whether the degree is even or odd, and then you're telling me if your leading coefficient is positive or negative. All right, time's on the clock. If you need me, let me know. All right, so coefficient here. What was the coefficient, positive or negative? There's going to be a positive coefficient. How do I know it's positive? Yeah. I'm staying alive and my right is up, right? Your positive and negative depends on your right hand behavior. Okay. So I am positive, and as x goes to positive infinity, f of x is also going towards positive infinity. Okay. On the other end, we have the limit as x goes to negative infinity. F of x is doing what? Going to negative infinity. Okay. Over here, our leading coefficient is negative. Our leading coefficient is going to be negative, and that's because on the right-hand side, we are sad. We're going down. Okay, staying alive, but just with our right hand down. All right, so the limit as x goes to positive infinity, f of x is now going towards negative infinity. Okay, the limit as x goes to negative infinity, f of x is now going towards positive infinity. And this happens because they are what type of polynomials? Odd degree, right? So this is happening because I have odd degree, which means that their end behaviors are going to be doing opposites, right? All right. Coefficient here. What's the coefficient on this side? Positive or negative? Positive, because again, we're looking at our right-hand behavior. On the right-hand side, we're going to our f of x is going towards positive infinity. On the left-hand side, our limit is going towards also positive infinity. You saw nothing. All right, our leading coefficient here, our right-hand side is going towards negative infinity. So our leading coefficient has to be negative. And because it's even, they're going to be doing the same behaviors on the left and the right. And so this is true for when you have an even degree polynomial. Okay, your odd degrees, you're going to be staying alive, always doing opposite behaviors. Okay, your even degrees, you're going to always be doing the same, waving your hands like you don't care. We're just moving side to side. Okay, all right, good. Okay, that is it for part B.